How many subscribers do you need to make money on YouTube? So that is a regular question people ask, and it's fairly simple. What you're going to want to do to find that out for yourself, because it might change in future and it might look a bit different for your specific YouTube channel. You want to type in studio.youtube.com into your web browser. You can also download the YouTube Studio app as well. Then you want to go to the Earn section. That should be on the bottom left hand corner there. And here you will be able to see the eligibility to earn money or to be part of the YouTube AdSense program. Both of those things are the same. You can see there it says 500 subscribers, but it's not just that. It's also 3,000 hours of watch time, or like a few different other things there, like you've got 3 videos uploaded, a certain amount of shorts views, depending on how you make videos yourself, whether it's shorts or long form. This is what it looks like when you do get monetized, once you go through that. So once you have 500 subscribers and then you meet all the requirements that are on your earnings page for shorts or long form videos, you'll be able to see them here. There's also different forms of making money in terms of memberships, supers, different things like that. You can all find in the Earn section on YouTube Studio. But that hopefully answers your question. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.